Welcome to LibreView, the web-based data management platform for FreeStyle Libre and other FreeStyle glucose devices. LibreView is easy to set up and offers standardized and easy-to-read reports, team collaboration, and remote patient monitoring, along with a customizable interface. Connect your patient's devices at any time to upload patient data into LibreView. Since LibreView is web-based, you'll be able to access your patient's glucose information from anywhere with an internet connection, even outside of the office. You can connect FreeStyle Libre, FreeStyle Libre Pro, or other FreeStyle branded devices to create standardized reports. Sign up for your account at www.libreview.com. Once signed up, you'll need to complete a one-time installation of the LibreView device drivers. Find the LibreView device driver software link on the Upload a Device screen. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the download and installation. Repeat this on any of the computers you plan to use to upload devices. Go to the Upload screen when you want to connect a device and upload data. There are two uploading options. One option is to upload the information as a one-time report, which will generate a report without patient information, which you can email, save, or print. The second option is to link the data to a patient's profile. This option will save the report and allow it to be viewed by other care team members in your LibreView practice. Once the data is uploaded, LibreView will open the patient's profile to their glucose history. You can compare date ranges and view a wide set of reports designed to provide insight and help you make more informed treatment decisions. Easily adjust the report data ranges and thresholds while viewing the reports. For all reports, you have the option to print or save it as a PDF. The patient dashboard displays a list of all the patients you oversee using LibreView. The patient dashboard comes preset with defined views to focus your patient list to a specific group of patients you wish to monitor more closely. You can also create custom views. You can enable flags to highlight patients within certain parameters, star patients to more easily locate their profiles in the patient dashboard, and you can invite patients to remotely upload their data. To view a patient's glucose history in LibreView, simply click on a patient's name to open their profile and view all previously uploaded device data. If you collaborate with other healthcare professionals, you can invite them to join your LibreView practice so they can view and access the shared patient information from their own account. LibreView allows you to upload devices across your patient population, collaborate with care team members, and view data according to your preferences, all in one place.